Welcome to our list of the best apps for Shopify in 2023. We've compiled this list based on recommendations from users on TikTok, Reddit, Quora, Facebook, and LinkedIn groups, combined with top-rated apps on the Shopify App Store. Whether you're setting up a new Shopify store or looking to improve the performance of your existing website, these apps can help you achieve your goals. So without further ado, let's dive into the most useful apps Shopify has to offer in 2023. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Number 1. Klaviyo, Email Marketing and SMS. Email marketing is a great way to connect with your audience and promote your products or services. However, it can be difficult to stand out in the crowded field of email marketing services. Klaviyo is one of the leading solutions for email marketing, and it offers a number of features that make it a great choice for businesses of all sizes. Klaviyo integrates with over 100 tools, making it easy to add to your existing marketing stack. It also includes all the must-have features for email marketing, such as pre-built templates, customized flows, and ROI-based analysis of your email campaigns. One of the best features of Klaviyo is its library of automations. With Klaviyo, you can easily create targeted, automated emails that engage your audience. You can also use Klaviyo's dynamic forms to add to your website, making it easy to capture leads and turn them into customers. Klaviyo also offers Instagram and Facebook ads data syncing, so you can easily track your performance across all your channels. Pricing for Klaviyo is very reasonable, starting at free for up to 250 contacts. For businesses with more contacts, pricing starts at just $20 per month for up to 500 contacts. Overall, Klaviyo is a great choice for businesses looking for a comprehensive, easy-to-use email marketing solution. Number 2. Effortless Marketing, best for Google Shopping. As a Shopify store owner, it's important to promote your products on as many platforms as possible to boost sales. The Effortless Marketing app from 𝐥𝐻 makes it easy to create and manage your product feed on platforms like Facebook and Google. Some of the features we loved include the ability to create an instant product feed and submit your feed to merchant centers. Shopping optimization is also a great feature that can help increase your ROI. Pricing for the app is free, which is another great benefit. Overall, we think this is a great app for anyone looking to promote their Shopify store products on a variety of platforms. Number 3. Plugin SEO, best for higher ranks on Shopify. Are you a Shopify store owner looking to increase your chances of ranking well on Google? If so, then you need to make sure you're doing everything you can to optimize your store for the search engines. One way to do this is to install the Plugin SEO app. This app helps you optimize your store by identifying any issues with your descriptions, page titles, speed, and other features that affect ranking. We love the 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐸 schema markup for rich snippets that the app offers. This is a great way to improve your click-through rate from the SERPs. Additionally, the app comes with templates to help you edit your meta titles and descriptions in bulk. And there's also a keyword tool to help you track your top-performing keywords. The best part? The app offers a free plan so you can try it out before committing to a paid subscription. There are also 14-day free trials available for the Plus and Pro plans. So if you're looking to improve your Shopify store's SEO, be sure to check out the Plugin SEO app. Number 4. PushOwl, best for push notifications. When it comes to online shopping, one of the main things that can keep customers from completing a purchase is forgetting about the items they've added to their cart. Similarly, customers may also forget to check back for new products or items that have come back in stock. This is where PushOwl comes in, an app that helps you send push notifications to remind customers about their cart items, new products, or items that are back in stock. We love the automated notifications that PushOwl offers, as well as the fact that it integrates with 18+ Shopify apps. You can also create and schedule web push campaigns, making the whole process super easy and streamlined. The best part? PushOwl offers a free basic plan, as well as $19 per month and $38 per month plans for premium subscriptions. Number 5. Carti Abandoned Cart Recovery, best for reducing abandonment rates. When customers browse products on Shopify stores and add them to carts, they may not always complete the orders. In fact, many customers abandon their carts before finalizing a purchase. This can be frustrating for store owners, as it results in lost sales. Fortunately, there are abandonment cart apps like Carti that can help recover lost sales by wooing shoppers back to the store to finalize their purchases. Carti helps you run multi-channel abandoned cart campaigns through push notifications, email, and SMS. We love the Carti app because it is feature-packed and offers a free trial. We also appreciate that it allows you to reach out to customers via multiple channels. The Carti app is definitely worth considering if you are looking for an abandonment tool. The service is free for the first 30 days, so you can try it out and see if it's right for you. After that, there are 3 different pricing tiers depending on how many carts you want to be able to track. The lowest tier, which is $4.99 per month, covers up to 200 carts. The middle tier, at $9.99 per month, covers up to 500 carts. And the highest tier, at $19.99 per month, covers up to 1,000 carts. Number 6, Printful, best for on-demand prints. If you're looking to add a personal touch to your style, consider customizing your own t-shirt or phone case. With apps like Printful, Print on Demand, you can create one-of-a-kind designs and print them on a variety of products. There are a variety of printing options available, so you can choose the best method for your design. The Tear Away option allows you to remove the excess fabric around your design, giving you a clean, professional look. And with global shipping, you can send your custom creations to friends and family anywhere in the world. The best part? The basic plan is free, so you can start creating without breaking the bank. For more advanced features, there are 2 paid plans available, the Plus plan $4.09/month, and the Pro plan $4.49/month. Number 7, Instafeed, best for Instagram integration. Instagram is one of the most popular social media platforms with over 1 billion monthly active users. And it's not just for celebrities and influencers, businesses of all sizes are using Instagram to reach new customers, build brand awareness, and drive sales. If you're a business owner, you should be using Instagram to promote your products and services. And the Instafeed app makes it easy to integrate your Instagram account with your Shopify store. Instafeed is a fully featured app that provides basic features like grid and slider layouts, as well as advanced features like shoppable feeds. We love the fact that it's compatible with all devices and themes, and that posts are responsive to desktop and mobile devices automatically. The best part? It's free to use for up to 250 contacts. After that, it's just $20/month for up to 500 contacts. So if you're not already using Instagram to promote your business, there's no excuse not to give it a try. Number 8, 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐿, best for product reviews. Product reviews are critical for a number of reasons. They help build trust with customers, can lead to increased sales, and can help re-engage passive users. The 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐿 app can help you collect reviews from your customers. It sends out review requests via email, requesting them to write reviews. We love the features of unrestricted review requests and imports, the ability to display star ratings and customer reviews, and the ability to generate reviews via email, SMS, web, and push notifications. The pricing is reasonable, with a free plan and a $15/month option for the awesome plan. Number 9, Sales Pop-Up Free Shipping Bar, best for free shipping. Sales Pop-Up is a great way to increase your online sales. It allows customers to see how much they need to spend to get free shipping, which can increase your conversion rate and average order value. The app also provides trust badges to build trust with customers, social proof showing the most recent sales and sold count, and a stock countdown timer. The pricing is very reasonable, with a free basic plan, $3.99 per month for the light plan, $9.99 per month for the plus plan, and $29.99 per month for the premium plan. Number 10, Helpcenter FAQ Chat, best live chat and FAQ builder. Many online businesses don't have the time or resources to provide quality customer service. This can lead to customers feeling frustrated and may even cause them to take their business elsewhere. Helpcenter FAQ Chat app is a great solution for businesses that want to provide quality customer service without breaking the bank. With this app, you can easily set up a live chat, FAQ, and help desk ticketing solution. We love the FAQ builder, which makes it easy to create a FAQ page from scratch. Additionally, the product description tabs allow you to add customizable tabs on product pages. And best of all, the all-in-one customer service platform gives you the ability to access customer queries from Facebook, email, chatbot, and live chat from one central location. The only downside is that there is no free plan or free trial available. However, pricing is very reasonable, starting at just $5.99/month for the FAQ builder, $4.99 per month for the tabs feature, and $19.99 per month for the help desk ticketing solution. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.